Students, I hope you are well and at your home and you are doing very great also. Dear students, in our chapter number system, today we will discuss about irrational number and some properties of irrational number. You know what is irrational? We have done in our number system decimal expansion. Decimal expansion. We have done decimal expansion. So in decimal expansion, two types. If r is 0 and r is not 0. Okay. So in decimal expansion, if r is not 0 means remainder is not 0. Remainder is not equal to 0. If remainder is not 0, then there are also two cases, repeating and non-repeating. Repeating and non-repeating. And you know repeating means suppose 6.322 bars, either you can say 5.26 bar, case of repeating. But when decimal expansion, remainder not 0 and non-repeating, you can say non-terminating. Non-terminating and non-repeating. If a number's expansion is a rational number with expansion non-terminating, non-repeating. Okay. If p by q is a rational number in the form. Okay. So rational number and one is irrational. Okay. तो rational number कब बनता है? If our remainder is 0 or in case of repeating. Okay. But when decimal expansion non-terminating, non-repeating, non-terminating and non-repeating or recurring also is called irrational number. Is called irrational number. And irrational number example is under root 2, under root 3, under root 5, under root 7, under root 11, under root 13 are example of irrational number. Now let us see some property of irrational. Now irrational number, definition of irrational, if a number not in the form of p by q and its abbreviation is t, we will denote it by using t. T for irrational. Now some property, if t is irrational number, okay, when we multiply it by -1 or negative, then it is also irrational number. Either you can say if x is irrational and when we multiply it negative, then also irrational. Clear? If x is irrational, then negative is also irrational. Clear? Now, if one rational number and one irrational number, one rational, one irrational, but rational is not 0, then their multiply is also irrational. For example, 2 is rational, under root 3 is irrational, then 2 under root 3 is also irrational. But in case of 0, when 0 multiply with irrational, then it is rational. Clear? Now if one is rational, another is irrational, their sum, their difference is also irrational. Okay. If both two numbers are rational, sorry, irrational. If two numbers are irrational, then their sum or difference can be rational or irrational. Rational or irrational. For example, 3 plus under root 2 is irrational, and 3 minus under root is also irrational. When we will add them, 336 is rational number. Clear? If two irrational number, then their sum or difference can be rational or irrational. In case of 3 plus under root 2 and minus 3 plus under root 2, ये first irrational, second. We will add both. 3 plus under root 2, under root 2 under root 2, 2 under root 2 is also irrational. So sum or difference of two irrational is irrational, okay, or can be rational. Depend on given irrational number. Clear? Now let us see next. Now product and quotient. Product means if we have two irrational, first is 3 under root 2, second is under root 2, then their multiply is 3 under root 2 into under root 2, under root 2 under root 2, 2. 6 is rational number. Okay, so product of two irrational is rational or also irrational. If I will write here under root 3, then their multiply is 3 under root 2 into under root 3, 3 2's 6, then it is irrational. So product of two irrational is rational or irrational, depend on given irrational. Quotient means one irrational number is 3 under root 2, another is 5 under root 2, then their division is 3 under root 2 upon 5 under root 2, 3 by 5. It is rational. Okay. So quotient also rational or irrational. In case of irrational, if T1 is 3 under root 6, T2 is 5 under root 2, then T1 upon T2 is 3 under root 6, 5 under root 2. You know under root 6 is under root 3 into under root 2. Cancel. So we have 3 under root 3 upon 5. It is irrational. Now some examples of, if we need to find a rational number between A and B. अगर आपको टू रैशनल नंबर गिवन है और उनके बीच में एक रेशनल निकालना है, then what is formula? A plus B into half. A plus B into half. Suppose we have 3 and 4. Then find one rational number between 3 and 4 is 1 by 2, 3 plus 4, either 7 by 2. Okay. It is a rational number between two numbers, but in case of a irrational number between Mn, you can say Mn because we both are A, so you will not confuse. A rational number between two rational number. We need irrational between rational. Then what is formula? Multiply both the rational and taking square root. Okay, multiply both the rational taking square root. It is one irrational number between two rational number. Clear? If Suppose if we have 3 and 2, find a irrational number between 3 and 2. Irrational number. So 3 into 2 and its square root means under root 6 is a irrational number between 3 and 2. Now we need find two rational number between under root 2 and under root 3. You know under root 2 means 1.414, under root 3 means 1.732. So you know after 1.4 is 1.5 and before 1.7 is 1.6. So actually we have 1.5 and 1.6. Okay, both are rational because if we will divide by 10, decimal will cancel. 5 3s, 5 2s. So we have 3 by 2. Same 2 8s, 2 5. 8 by 5 is also rational number. But in case of irrational, actually we have number 2 and 3. Okay, and 2 is less than 2.1, 2 point is less than 2.2, so 2.2 is less than 2.3. okay, तो you know 2.3 is less than 3. तो आप ऐसे ले सकते हैं वैल्यूज 2 और 3 के बीच में. अब आपको इरेशनल चाहिए तो हम क्या लेंगे, स्क्वायर रूट. ओके, सो बिटवीन अंडर रूट 2 एंड अंडर रूट 3 क्या क्या आ गया, अंडर रूट 2.1, अंडर रूट 2.2 आर टू irrational number, are two irrational number. Clear? Now let us see next example. Now representation of irrational number, representation या represent irrational number on a number line, on a number line. Represent irrational number on a number line. For example, under root 2, under root 3, under root 5, under root 7. So how will you represent? First of all, for under root 2 we will take a number line. Okay, suppose here 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Under root 2. Okay, so you know for under root 2 we knew that under root 2 is 1 square plus 1 square. So first of all we suppose it is O, and for 1 unit it is 1 unit, it is A. Okay, OA as 1 unit. And same here we will make a right angle either using the set square. By using set square you can draw here also 1 unit at A, at right angle it is also 1 unit. Okay, now you will join, it is B. So dear students, base is 1 unit, height is 1 unit. So by using Pythagoras you know it is under root 2. Base square plus perpendicular square, 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, now OB is under root 2, but we need a number line. We suppose it is center, OB as radius, or draw an arc which intersect, okay, draw an arc which intersect number line at C. You know now OC as under root 2, OC as under root 2. Same you can go under root 3. For under root 3 you know under root 3 written as under root 2 square plus 1 square. So it is under root 2. So we will suppose either take 1 unit here, join with O. Now OD as radius, O as center, die another arc. Now OE as under root 3. OE as under root 3. In same way you can draw number line under root 5, under root 7. In one question we are using under root 2, under root 3, under root 5, under root 7 make a spiral also. Okay, so let us see. For any activity of spiral, okay, we suppose at 0, 1, 2. So first of all it is 1, here also 1, join with OAB. Okay, then it is under root 2. Clear? So again by using set square we will take here 1. If it is under root 2 it is 1, then under root 3. Okay, under root 2, under root 3, then again here 1 and join with this part, it is 90, 90, 90, then under root 2, under root 3, under root 4, then again here 1 unit, join with O, then under root 5, then again unit 1, join with O, under root 6. So in this way you can make a spiral also. Clear? And you can say number, you can draw it, represent on number line also, because from here it is under root 2, from here it is under root 3, center point it is radius, then under root 4, under root 4 is 2, you know under root 4 is 2, from again under root 5, then again under root 6. Okay, so you can use the spiral also represent on number line. Let us see next example. Now we want to represent under root 3.5, under root 6.5, 4.5, either you can say 4.3 on number lines. So first of all for under root 3.5 आपको क्या करना है, नंबर लाइंस पे either you can say first we will take only 3.5. क्या लेना है आपको, if 3.5 then we will take 3.5 centimeter. Okay, but we suppose it is origin 0 and here minus 3.5. Clear? Now we will take 1 unit, here 1 unit and suppose it as A. आपको अंडर रूट में 3.5 गिवन था, तो सबसे पहले आप 3.5 लेंगे और इसको 0 लेंगे, ये माइनस हो जाएगा नेगेटिव, इसको O सपोज कर लो और ये क्या होगा A, इसको हम नेम दे देंगे B. नाउ AB is a line segment, so divide it, either bisect it. AB को bisect करना है आपको, so taking B as center, more than half of AB as radius, draw an arc. Same for A as center. ठीक है, bisect करेंगे आप इसको. We suppose it is center, C as center. So now taking C as center, make a semicircle. Clear? Semicircle बनाना है. Join, either you can say draw a perpendicular from this point, या either perpendicular from O to the arc of the circle. Join with center C. Now taking C as center, taking C as center and extend it. It is 1 unit, then 2 unit, then 3 unit, 0, then 1, 2, 3. Now taking O as center and OD as radius, draw an arc where it will intersect. That point will be under root 3.5. That point will be under root 3.5. Clear? That point will be under root 3.5. So we can prove it by using Pythagoras also. Okay, you know, if it is 3.5 plus 1 is 3.5 plus 1 means 4.5, and half of 4.5 is 2.25. 2.25 minus 1. 2.25 minus 1 is 1.25. It is 1.25, and CD is equal to AC. What is AC? AC is equal to CD. AC is equal to CD. Now 3.5 plus 1, 4.5, half 2.25. Okay, by using Pythagoras you can find this value, and you know, by using Pythagoras it is under root 3.5. If same radius we will draw an arc, then if under root 3.5, it should be also under root 3.5. Now let us see under root 6.5. Now for under root 6.5, first of all we draw line segment 6.5. We suppose it is 0, it is minus 6.5. Okay, then we will extend it 1 unit. Is either if it is 6.5 centimeter, it is 1 centimeter. So it is A, B, C. Now draw bisector of AC. Bisector of AC. AC को bisect करेंगे taking A as center, taking C as center. Draw bisector of AC. Okay, if it is bisector, we suppose it is D. Then taking D as center, AD as radius, draw a semicircle. Okay, now at O, join with the arc and also join with E. Clear? And extend it up to 2 and 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Now taking O as center, OE as radius, draw an arc. Then where it will cut? It is under root 6.5. We suppose it under root 6.5. Otherwise, you know, under root 6.5 is 2 2's more than 2. So it will goes after 2. So by using actual geometrical tools, you can find value of under root 6.5 on number line, and it will represent under root 6.5. Or you know, how will you verify? You know, it is 6.5 plus 1 is 7.5, and half is 3.75. If 3.75 minus 1, 2.75, it is 2.75, it is 3.75, so by Pythagoras it is under root 6.5. If it is under root 6.5, same it is also under root 6.5. So by using geometrical tools you can do actually representation in notebook. So dear students, you will try such type questions also. Okay, stay home, stay safe, thank you.